How to send gift message on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our messages, which is right here on the airplane icon right here. Now, let's say we want to send a gift message on someone right here. So all I have to do to send a message is just type in a message right here and then click on this magnifying glass right here. Now, it will give me various options. I can send it with an effect of hi, with an effect of heart, a gift effect, a celebratory effect, or a fire effect. I can also add stickers to it and send a GIF. Now, in order for me to send a gift message on Instagram, all I have to do is to click on this button right here, this effect, and I can already open it and it will show the message that I have given them. So that's how to send gift message on Instagram. Hope we help.